In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Acrobat not responding. If Acrobat freezes or becomes sluggish, the most reliable fixes are to update the app and, if needed, repair the installation. I'll walk you through both in a clear, simple way so you can get back to working with your PDFs smoothly. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully. Once you're in, look to the very top left corner of the screen for the main menu. This is where you'll find all the application options. Move your mouse to that menu and open it, then hover your cursor over the Help section. Don't click yet, just hover, so the Help options expand. From the Help menu, choose Check for Updates. Acrobat will now scan for any available updates. If it finds one, follow the on-screen prompts to download and install it. You may see a progress bar, and the process can take a few minutes depending on your connection and the size of the update. You might also be asked to close and relaunch Acrobat to finish the installation. Go ahead and allow that. Updating replaces outdated components, fixes known bugs, and often resolves freezing issues caused by compatibility problems or recent changes to your system. If Acrobat reports that you're already up to date, or if the issue persists after updating, the next method is to repair the installation. Once again, go to the top left menu, open it, and hover over Help to reveal the options. This time select Repair Installation. When you choose Repair Installation, Acrobat checks its core files and settings, then restores anything that's missing or corrupted. This can fix freezes caused by damaged program files or problematic add-ons. You may be prompted to grant permission for changes, approve the request. The repair may take a few minutes and could restart Acrobat automatically when it's finished. It's a good idea to save any open documents before you begin, just in case the app needs to close. After the repair completes, reopen Acrobat if it doesn't relaunch on its own and test it with a PDF you use regularly. Most of the time, these two steps, updating first, then repairing if necessary, resolve not responding messages and restore normal performance. To keep things running smoothly going forward, make a habit of checking for updates periodically from the Help menu, especially after major operating system updates. And when Acrobat does offer to repair itself after a crash, let it run that process. That's it. With a quick update and if needed a repair, you should have Acrobat stable and responsive again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.